Changing your phone number on BigCommerce is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your contact information easily. Step 1. Log into your BigCommerce account. Access your BigCommerce account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your account settings. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access various settings related to your account. Step 3. Select Contact Information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your phone number. Locate the field for your phone number and enter your new number. Double check to ensure that the number is correct and formatted properly. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your phone number, look for the Save button at the bottom of the page. Click it to save your changes and ensure your new phone number is updated in the system. By following these steps, you can successfully change your phone number on BigCommerce. Make sure to verify that the changes have been applied correctly by checking your account settings again.